Hi everyone, this is Sira. We are on week 4, chapter 3, and we're working on exercise 3-5. This exercise is a 3-part problem, and so we'll go ahead and get started. The information at the beginning of the assignment says, a tabular analysis of the transactions made during 2017 by Block Company below. Each increase and decrease in shareholder equity is explained. To the income statement, which is part A for the assignment. We're going to begin with the month ended August 31st, 2017. And if you come up here to the top, you'll see that there is service revenues right here, which is $10,100. So we'll plug that in here, $10,100 service revenue. Our choices for expenses and 3 slots. And the textbook told us to put the expenses in order, chronological order. They go up in the information given to us. Rent expense $4,800. Salary expense $3,700, and the third one is utility expense for $290. In rent for $800. Salaries and wages and utility expenses $290. Total expenses, so we add up 800 plus 3,700 plus 290 equals $4,790. Final part of the income statement is to find whether we have a net income or loss. We do that by taking the $10,100, subtracting out $4,790, and that gives us a total of $5,310 net income. That completes part A. So then you can move on to part B, which is the retained earnings estimate. Ended August 31st, 2017. In the first line there, that's the beginning amount, which is, if you recall, the instructions here at the top explain to us that this month of operating company, so there is no retained earnings to put in the statement. So that's why we put the rollers there. We then are going to add in the net income. If you'll recall, we find the net income in the income statement, which is part A of this assignment. So $1,310, the net income. We plug that in here, add the two of those together, and we end up with $5,310. So less. Up here at the top, we can find the dividends for $2,200 right here. Here, and because it's a less, then we subtract. So we take 5,310 minus for retained earnings end of the month of $3,110. That completes B. Moving on to option C of the assignment. On the balance sheet, recall that we only put the date. There is no month ending or year ending. We just put the date. As you can see, there are 3 places to put an asset, and it tells us to put that in order of liquidity. Up, and there is an entire column of cash right here. So we're just going to do a simple addition subtraction problem. Take $20,400, take out $960, $740, add in $4,700, take out $1,900, $2,200, $800, add in $390,700. That gives us a total of $15,190. receivable. Accounts receivable is here in this column. $5,400. Take away $390. And down here at the bottom, the answer is $5,010. Third item is supplies. And that's in this column, which is $740. $740 there. Next, we have total current assets, which means we get to add up $15,190 plus $740 to equal a total of $20,000. The next line is for equipment. That's here, $4,960. Back down to the bottom, right there, $4,960. Next, we have total assets. So we're going to take $20,940, 960 for a total asset of $25,900. Is liabilities and stockholders' equity. So we have current liabilities up here. Account payable is in this column. $4,000, subtract $1,900, add in $290 for a total of $2,380. There's equity. There's two slots. One is for common stock, the other is for retained earnings. Common stock is found here, $1,400. A little bit trickier because that's all of those three columns, right? Revenues minus expenses minus dividends. Big number, which is 10,100, and subtract 200, 890 for a total in retained earning of $3,110. Equity, $510. And in order to get the total liabilities and stockholders' equity, we're going to add the $23,90,510, which gives us a total liabilities and stockholders' equity of $25,900. And you know you're on the right track. That number equal the same number. So that is everything on this assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we will talk to you soon.